all those ladders up there, they didn't make that kind of noise. I think they may have had the effect of a noise canceling speaker up there. One would make the a noise, and the other would make a noise, but it was on a cancel out instead of magnify. We're headed back to Vicky's. I'm trying to come up with an interesting, different way, but I've gone about every way you can go, except for going east and going around the world. So I don't know if we'll use this or not. I really don't like putting repetitive videos up, but everything is being developed so fast in Georgia, even a repetitive video is not the same video. But anyway, let's cut this off. We are east of Windsor. When we get there, we'll turn it on and get some of that development right there. And then we'll just figure out what we're going to do. I may switch over to the GoPro. This is the S22 Ultra. And like I say, if that ladder is singing like that, if it's got that much noise in it, when I look at it, we will just be deleting this video. I don't know how to get rid of background noise. I guess Adobe Premiere Elements will let you, but I don't know how to do it. I need to get Premiere Elements 2024, but I haven't done that yet either. But anyway, let's turn it off for right now. Okay, we are crossing over Georgia Highway 53 now on 316. Supposed to get to 52 degrees today. 26 tonight. I think we figured out what we're going to do unless we run into trouble. I think we'll get off at Shanley Tucker Road, go 316, get off at Shanley Tucker Road at 85, down at 85. Go inside the perimeter. I think it's Windsor Parkway. I'll show y'all a way that saved me a lot of times coming back from Fulton and Cobb County, North Fulton and Cobb, when 285 was backed up. I come parallel to 285 down Windsor and Mount Perrin, and that way I shouldn't be driving fast enough to where this ladder noise will bother us. So I think that's the way we'll go. We'll probably be turning this off. We'll turn it back on up here to get this developed area through Bethlehem and Windsor. And we're just about there. But then we'll probably, unless something interesting happens, we'll turn it off until we get down 285, just about to Shanley Tucker Road. We could get off at Jimmy Carter and then go Tucker Norcross or Norcross Tucker to Shanley Tucker. We'll see. We'll figure that out though. Okay, we're coming into, I guess it's a Bethlehem address, but I'd still call this Windsor. Said road work for the next 3 miles. So this is south US 29, west 316. Get back to Vicky's until about 4 or 5 this afternoon, but that's just a guess. Okay, what are they doing to us? I thought we went over this stuff here. Maybe they hadn't got that finished yet. Yeah, this will be a flyover, but it's not yet. This will be the ramp once they get that flyover finished. I've got the camera tilted slightly to the left instead of centered. That way you see more of the road all the way across. We probably should have gotten over that left lane, but those trucks would be passing us again as soon as we get going good. But Let's go ahead and turn it off for right now. And this is Georgia Highway 11. To the left will take you through Bethlehem, I think. I think that's why they call it Bethlehem. To the right will take you on over into Winder. Yeah, 316 has been a very dangerous and deadly road. These cross streets, you're taking your life in your hands because people drive faster than they should on 316, and you try to get across, you're liable to get smacked. I thought they had all this finished though. Well, that's good. We'll have an update of it before it's finished. And yeah, I think unless something changes, we're going to do that. We'll go down. We'll probably start a new video when we do that. We won't hook it onto this one. We'll go Windsor Parkway, get off 85 at 285, or either Norcross Tucker, go 285 inside the perimeter, skirting Chamblee. We might go through downtown Chamblee, but I doubt it. And then we'll hit Peachtree Industrial, go out to, I think it's Johnson Ferry or Ashford Dunwoody, turn right, then go down and turn left on Windsor. It's probably Ashford Dunwoody. I used to know, but it's been a while since I've been through there. We may go ahead and edit this one and get it uploaded for you. That way y'all you will know what is coming later today or tonight. Now there's the varsity over there. It finally opened, but I haven't eaten there yet. It took forever to get that place open. Coming up on Georgia 81. To the right will take you through Winder. Why are they calling this Georgia 53? This must be 53 connector. Maybe something, I don't know. To the left will take you down through Loganville, down through Bowl Springs, then on over through Loganville, then on down through Covington. I hope I've got the volume where that ladder's not making too much noise, but you can still hear me. I need to figure out how to get rid of background noise. I need some classes. I really need some classes on this Insta360 camera too. I haven't figured it out yet. Construction. I think we're about to turn this one off. This will be the end of this one. This will be a wrap. Anything else, we'll start a different one, but I think anyway. I say all kind of stuff, then stuff ends up different. But my plan is to not turn it back on unless we get into something interesting, not turn it back on until we get down to either Jimmy Carter, where we could get off and 10:22, we could get off at Jimmy Carter and have a varsity, then go Norcross Tucker over to Chamblee Tucker. You see how quickly our plans change? Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn this one off. This is Carl Bethlehem Road, and we're going to turn this one off, and my intention is for this to be a wrap